Third largest ethnic snacking company, strong distribution network, and presence in more than 25 states. Bikaji Foods International Ltd, an FMCG company. Company has over 30 years of experience in producing different FMCG products, targeting wide consumer base. About 66% of the revenue is generated from ethnic snacks, 18% from packaged sweets, 9% from western snacks, and 4% from papad. The company was incorporated in 1995 and got public in 2022. They are based in Bikaner, with more than 1,395 employees and 1,395 workers. Company has 12 manufacturing plants located in Bikaner, Kanpur, Patna, Muzaffarpur, Guwahati, Kolkata, and Tumkur, with a production capacity of 3,15,120 metric tons per annum and 48% capacity utilization. The market cap of the company is 19,564 crore rupees and currently trading at 781 rupees per share. The company has a 21% CAGR for 3-year sales growth and 44% CAGR for 3-year profit growth. Company has 5 subsidiaries in India and USA, and has recently acquired 55% stakes in Ariba Foods and 53% in Hazelnut Factory to strengthen their offerings. Company is also backed by leading foreign and domestic investors. The company is showcasing strong and stable financial records and clocking good profits year on year and is aiming to reach rupees 3,100 crores in revenue by fiscal year 2026. There is a small drop in promoters' holding in the last 4 quarters. We can see some foreign and domestic investments in the company. The company is giving good dividends every year. A dividend of 1 rupee per share was paid in fiscal year 2024. Company exports to 33 countries, with revenue concentration of 96% from domestic and 4% from exports. About 66% of the export revenue is generated from North America, 18% from Asia Pacific, 9% from Middle East, and 4% from other regions. Domestically, company has a presence in more than 25 states, with Rajasthan, Assam, and Bihar as core markets with 70% revenue. Company offers more than 300 SKU, has a strong network of 2,435 distributors, and presence in more than 10 lakh retail points, with plans to reach 12.5 lakh within next couple of years. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. See you next time.